Yesterday I made $534. This week so far I made $2,875.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, it's choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat. All my dogs peace.
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make $250 a day with no money, zero investment. Let's get into the content. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, when it comes to making money online, you're going to have to sell something, whether it's a product, a service, a software as a service, something, right? So in this particular tutorial, we're going to be teaching you guys what I love to talk about, which is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you get paid to refer other people's products. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to source products in China. You don't have to deal with cost of goods. You don't have to deal with all that extra craziness. All you have to do is find products that solve problems that other people have created, and then you have to find people who are looking to solve that problem. And then you can literally just connect those people together. And once they actually purchase this product, you're going to go ahead and get paid a commission, right? Now, the question is, we want to go ahead and find an affiliate offer. So if you guys look here, find affiliate offer. Now, before I actually go into the tutorial, let's actually show you guys some social proof. So yesterday I made $534. This week so far I made $2,875. Today's date is the 7th. So from the 1st to the 7th is a 7-day period. From the 4th and the 2nd, I made $719 and $400 on PayPal. That's a grand total of $570.61 on average per day. So I'm going to show you guys how to make $250 per day, but I'm currently making about $600 per day, right? So now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and actually show you guys what I'm currently doing. Now, what you guys want to go ahead and do is you guys want to go ahead and find an affiliate offer. Now, if you guys want to know what I'm currently promoting, I'm promoting a high ticket affiliate marketing offer. So that's a product that you can sell for $1,000 to $2,000. Now, if you guys go to ericsnewbook.com, and I'm going to go ahead and actually walk you through my funnel in a second. You go to ericsnewbook.com. It's going to go ahead and not only give you my free book, but it's going to go ahead and introduce you guys to the product that I'm selling for anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. Now, with that being said, if you guys want to promote that, you guys can go to ericsnewbook.com. But if you guys want to go ahead and find free offers, you guys can go to ClickBank, JVZoo, or MaxBounty.com. So feel free to take a screenshot, take a snapshot, so on and so forth. And what you guys want to do is you guys want to go and pick a niche. Now, there's different niches that you guys can pick. There's health and romance, there's self-development, there's helping people how to speak Spanish, there's helping people jump higher, there's helping people with their marriage, like there's helping people lose weight. There's so many niches you guys can pick. So what you want to do is pick a niche. After you pick a niche, you find a product. I'm going to make money online niche, so I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys make money on this process will make money online. But this process works with everything. Now, the next thing is I wrote down sales automation. So we want to go ahead and create a sales funnel, and I'm going to go ahead and break down what a sales funnel looks like. So what you're going to do is you're going to be giving away something for free. On the second page of your sales funnel, you guys are going to be, it's called a bridge page. You guys are going to be redirecting somebody to your affiliate offer. And the whole point of getting access to, or giving somebody access to this free thing, is so that way when they become a lead, you're going to be able to redirect them back to this affiliate offer with email marketing. Now, also, one of the key components is driving traffic. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the traffic method in a second, but let's actually look at my funnel. So ericsnewbook.com, right? So what I'm doing is I'm giving away a free book. That's why it's called ericsnewbook.com, right? So here's my landing page. And then as people decide to go to the next step in my funnel, right, they're going to go ahead and immediately to their email get access to my free book, right? Now, why is it important to actually deliver what they just asked for? Because what happens is when you deliver what they ask for and they open and they see that they've got the thing that they've requested, they're going to be more inclined to actually open your emails in the future. Now, with that being said, they're going to go ahead and open up your email, or open up that email, get access to that free book. Then the next day in your follow-up series, you want to go ahead and actually hit them with some more value, right? You don't want to sell anything. You just want to go ahead and deliver what they ask for, and then the next day you want to go ahead and deliver some more value. The reason why you wanted to go ahead and deliver more value is because you want to go ahead and build trust, right? You want them to know, like, and trust you. If they know, like, and trust you, they're going to be more likely to actually open your emails in the future. And then what you want to do is, because you became their friend, because you've built some trust, because you've built some reciprocity, the next thing that you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and then recommend. So now, because you're their friend, it's going to be more of a recommendation of a product instead of somebody trying to sell me something. It's like, Eric, I trust that guy. He gives free content on YouTube all the time. He gave me a free book to give me some value. He's helping me out, right? If he sells me something, most likely it's aligned with his character, right? Integrity. He's trying to sell me something that's going to go ahead and actually help me, and obviously help him because he'll get compensated, but everybody wins, right? So you want to have that kind of mentality. Now, if you guys look here, this is my bridge page. It says free book will arrive to your inbox in 10 minutes. And then it will show you this, but there's more hidden secrets. If you guys want more information, then there's a quick little lifestyle video. And then I redirect people to my affiliate offer, which is step number 3. Now, why is this important? I'm going to go ahead and show you guys in a second. You guys are probably wondering, well, how the freak do I build this type of stuff? Well, if you guys want to learn how to actually build sales funnels, there's going to be in my descriptions below, there's going to be a link that says sales funnels. You're going to be able to get access to a free trial. Once you get access to that free trial, it'll also come with free training teaching you guys how to build these sales funnels out on this software. I literally went through the same training. Also, if you guys want the same thing that I'm leveraging to do this email marketing, in the resources section, literally the link right below this, you guys will see email marketing. You guys will be able to leverage the same software that I'm using to automate my email marketing process and to send email broadcasts out to my list. Now, for time's sake, I'm not going to go out there, go through this, guys. This is YouTube. I'm not going to course. If you guys want paid courses, I have paid courses, but we're not going to go into that. I mean, the paid course will probably be in the description as well. But we're not going to freaking create a course on YouTube. But I will give you guys the fundamentals, right? So I just showed you guys the 3-step process. Now, once our sales automation is completely automated and set up, we need to go ahead. So let's recheck this out, right? We have free traffic. We're going to be capturing these leads, redirecting them to the offer. Then we have a 3-step sales funnel. First step of the funnel, free thing. And it doesn't have to be an ebook. So many people get confused because Eric has an ebook and thinks, well, I have to create an ebook. It's going to take me 2 weeks to write a book. No, you don't. You can do a free training, a free video, a free PDF, a free podcast. Something that is congruent with what it is you are selling. That's all that matters. So for example, I can literally go ahead and give somebody a free case study. And that free case study could be a blog post that I found teaching people about affiliate marketing. And then literally I could just go ahead and send people that article, which is still value. Now, is it more powerful if you created the actual lead magnet? Absolutely, because what happens is if you're redirecting traffic to these other people's articles, case studies, so on and so forth, then you're going to be sending traffic to their stuff, and they're probably going to go ahead and sell them something. So, but if you guys just want to get started right now, go ahead and get access to a lead magnet. If you guys want to know about lead magnets, literally go ahead on Google and type in lead magnet ideas. I'm not going to do that right now for time's sake, but lead magnet ideas, and it'll show you different types of lead magnets that you guys can create for the front end of your funnel. Now, the next thing that we're going to go and do is redirect them to our affiliate offer, but this is what we're missing. This is what we're lacking. And I'm going to go and show you guys where I started for absolutely free when I was a complete brand new beginner in your shoes. And I consistently went after it every single day, day in and day out for a long period of time. And I went from dead broke to making my first 6 figures online. So what did I do? I did YouTube, guys. So if you guys look here, I want you guys to look at the thumbnail of this video, and I want you guys to also, or remember the thumbnail, and I want you guys to look at the title. Now I want to show you guys where I got some inspiration from. Okay, right here. So it says make $250 a day online with zero work, 100% legit. Now, if you guys look at my title, it says make $250 online with zero money. Now, guys, the reason why I don't put zero work is you may catch me saying something like this, so I don't want to be hypocritical, guys. That's fucking bullshit. There's no fucking way you can make money online with zero fucking work. Now, you can make money online with zero money, but zero work, you're fucking dreaming if you think you're not going to be putting in work. So with that being said, the thumbnail is similar. So you're going to see me holding up my phone with PayPal, with the red circle, with the red arrow, And my title is extremely similar. It's make $250 a day online with zero money, 100% legit. Now, the reason why I do this, guys, is because at the end of the day, our human brains, it's like hard to, number one, it's hard to just always come up with concepts. But number two is, why reinvent the wheel when you can go ahead and already do what's already working? So what I did was I put $100, or I want to show you guys exactly what I did, how to make $100 a day, right? So how to make $100 a day, and I found this video, make $250 a day online with zero work. Now there's a very likely chance, and recently on my YouTube channel I used this thumbnail and I did a similar title, and that didn't really pop off for my channel, but I'm constantly leveraging what other people have created. Now I'm not copying their content. Now you guys can also model their content if you want. I personally don't model their content because my YouTube channel is based around affiliate marketing, so I want to stay congruent with the products that I'm selling, and I also want to stay congruent with teaching my audience one thing, because I don't want to be teaching people 10 websites that make fucking $100 a day or any of that bullshit. Now, there's nothing against people who do that stuff, but that's not what I'm trying to teach my following. I'm trying to teach my following how to start an affiliate marketing business. So I just leverage these titles and these thumbnails because I know they're working, because they're working for other people. And after I do that, then I reteach it in a completely different angle. I don't even watch the content. I literally just get an idea from the thumbnail and the actual link here. Now the question is, how do you guys actually monetize this, right? So what you guys want to do is guys, literally, if you guys want to rank these videos and you guys just want to figure out what's working, just figure out what's already working. So for example, this keyword right here, how to make $100 per day, I'm going to be trying to rank for that keyword because obviously he ranked for it. So I created a similar title and thumbnail. So hopefully I can rank for it, right? So all you're doing is literally modeling what other people have done on YouTube. So you're going to go and create a YouTube channel. If you guys look at my YouTube channel, guys, I'm not copying these people's content. I'm just modeling their thumbnails and their titles because it is proven to work. They are the top ranked videos in my niche. So if I go to videos, right? How to make $1,000 a day from home for free. So I wonder if I'll find that freaking thing anywhere. How to make money on Google. And I want you guys to look at this thumbnail with this lady holding this damn iPad up. Look at my most recent video. Me with the surprise face holding an iPad up with big green text, big green text. So I'm literally just modeling. I'm modeling people's thumbnails. I'm modeling people's titles, and I'm just leveraging what works that's already proven to work. Why reinvent the wheel? And I'm just giving my following value that is congruent with the product that I am selling, and then I'm redirecting them to my 3-step sales funnel to where I'm giving something away for free. So I'm giving more value. Then when they open up my emails, I'm giving more value, and then on the second page, I'm redirecting them to an affiliate offer. And then on my emails and my my third, fourth, or fifth emails, and then anything in the future, I will be redirecting them to affiliate offers. But I send my YouTube videos to my email, my email follow, my email list. The number one key that I want you guys to realize is, yes, you want to make money, but the best way to make money is providing value. It's called reciprocity. You want to go ahead and give value to these people so they know, like, and trust you, so they know you're not a fucking scumbag just trying to pitch, create YouTube videos trying to pitch. You're actually trying to provide value. And then when you redirect them to your affiliate offers, it's more of a recommendation from a friend instead of a sales pitch from a scumbag, right? That's literally the secret to making $250 a day online, or $100 per day, or just making money online in general, is leading with value. At the end of the day, for the people who just want to go ahead and get a quick buck, that type of income is short-lived. But the business model that I'm teaching you guys here is literally going to be a long-term sustainable income, right? And one quick last tip is never jeopardize the trust of your following by trying to make a quick buck. Always lead with value. Always lead with integrity. Always lead with good intentions, and you'll make more money than you could ever fucking imagine. Hey, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell to be notified every time I drop some new heat. Lastly, if you found yourself thinking, hey, I want to learn from this guy, then click the link in the description to grab access to my new book, where you can grab it at ericsnewbook.com. Again, that's ericsnewbook.com. Thanks for watching.